If you've ever opened Microsoft Word and wondered where the ruler went, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to show the ruler in Microsoft Word in just a few seconds. This is really helpful if you want to adjust margins, line up text, work with indents, or make your document look more polished and professional. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tips just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Word and make sure you have a document on the screen. Once Word is open, look at the top ribbon and click the View tab. The View tab is where Microsoft Word keeps the display options for your document, so this is the first place to check when something is missing from your workspace. After clicking View, look for the Show group. Depending on your version of Word, this group may appear near the middle or left side of the ribbon. In that section, you'll see a checkbox labeled Ruler. All you need to do is check that ruler box to display the ruler on your document. As soon as you click it, the ruler should appear at the top of the page, and in many cases along the side as well. Now, you can use it to line up text more accurately, control paragraph indents, and make formatting changes much easier. If you ever want to hide it again, just come back to the same View tab and uncheck the ruler box. That's it. You've now shown the ruler in Microsoft Word. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference when you're formatting documents more precisely. If this video was useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.